Hi, my name is Eva, and together with my husband, we run Finca Flores Amarillas, a five-star bed and breakfast in Extremadura in southwest Spain. We have recently set up an online gift shop on our website, and among other things, we sell books. Most of the books that we sell are not available new anymore. So we are quite possibly the only place where you can still buy them new. So all of our books are new, none are second hand. I'll start with walking guidebooks, and the first one is Walking the Sierras of Extremadura. This book was written by Gisela Radent Wood. She's a dear friend of ours. She lives locally, and she's actually written two walking books for Extremadura. The first one was called Walking in Extremadura, and that one is not available anymore anywhere as far as we know. At least that's what she's told us. You can still get it secondhand, but not new. We do have a copy here at our bed and breakfast at Finca Flores Amarillas. So if you come and stay here, you are more than welcome to use ours and plan your walking. This one, definitely a good companion if you plan to do walking in Extremadura. The next three walking books are for Andalusia. They were all written by Guy Hunter Watts. Andalusia is a region just south of Extremadura, possibly 2 hours drive from here, from Finca Flores Amarillas. And the books are Walking in Andalusia, Coastal Walks in Andalusia, and Coast to Coast Walk. Okay, if walking is not your thing, maybe you are into cooking and we have just the book for you. Cooking in Spain. Okay, over 300 recipes, tips, Spanish-English glossary, photographs. An amazing book for anyone who enjoys cooking. If you don't really have time or don't fancy cooking proper dishes, then maybe Tapas is the book for you. And if you live in Spain or are planning on visiting and you really like your wine, this is the book for you. Shopping for Wine in Spain. The choice in supermarkets is just overwhelming, so with this book in your pocket, you will be making informed decisions. Okay, purchases. Maybe you are into gardening. Now, for a couple of books here, you don't really need to live in Spain. They are more to do with the Mediterranean region. Like this one, Apartment Gardening Mediterranean style. So I guess as long as where you live, the climate is Mediterranean, that book could be useful. And another one, Gardening in, Mediterranean Garden Plants. Okay, and now to a few very practical books. For which you do need to live in Spain or know someone who does. Gardening in Spain, your garden in Spain, growing healthy vegetables in Spain, and finally growing healthy fruit in Spain. Okay, now some history. Let's start with this one, The Story of Spain, A Literary Companion, and finally Al-Andalus. Al-Andalus is an area that was conquered by the Moors, by the Muslims, and it covers pretty much all of the Iberian Peninsula. I think only the north was not part of the Al-Andalus, but pretty much everything else was. And this one really talks about how nature has shaped history. So you have a lot of wonderful photographs of nature as well. Okay, if you're learning Spanish, we have Spanish dictionary, we have simplified Spanish verbs, and finally, emergency Spanish. Now, for this one, you really need to live in, well, Spain or a Spanish-speaking country. And last but not least, Don Quixote de la Mancha. Now, this book will keep you busy for hours, days, and months on end. It's over 900 pages long. And that's it. That brings us to the end of our bookstore offer. If you want to buy anything, please visit our online gift shop. If you want to stay up to date with what goes on here at the Finca and in Extremadura, you can follow us on Facebook or on Instagram. So take care and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.